Rainy season is definitely here, guys. Look at that. Look at kids. So I'm sitting upstairs in my recently upgraded new room, and it all of a sudden just started pouring down. It's really weird, but I love it. We're well and truly in rainy season, but you know what, I love it every now and then, but not like every day. And in rainy season, this is nearly every day. It's very rare to get breaks in the rain. Look at it, isn't it? It's brilliant. I love it. I absolutely love it. The kids come out in it, people get washed in it, kids wash in it. I had the other window open and I got a bit of a flood. There's my little baby. This is with Kelly. Kelly's come and stole her. She was asleep. Oh, it's coming down harder. My God. Hello, hello, baby. There's my son as well, look. Yeah. Hello. Hey, could you see this happening in the US or the UK? It just wouldn't happen. Just wouldn't happen. Now you see, this to me is so relaxing. I can just sit here and have a beer. Which I've got. Got a San Mig. I went and bought 3 San Migs because I was feeling a little bit stressed because of this lockdown. Just to unwind a little bit. Isn't it sad when you need alcohol, excuse me, to unwind? So I guess that's it. I just wanted to share with you a few minutes. Do you know what? I can't move when I go out here because of these kids. They love me, what can I say? So thanks to everyone for watching this video. Oh, it's starting again. Yeah, it's coming down again. I hope you haven't found it too boring. I don't find it boring. I love it. It's a wonder the shampoo's not out. So anyway guys, always share my videos, like, subscribe of course, and we'll see you on the next video. This was like, oh, I'll just take a video of all this rain coming down. Anyway, oh my god, we just, do you know what, as soon as I turn the camera off, I'll put this a little bit further back in the video I guess. As soon as I turned the camera off, lightning strike straight in front of the camera. You won't believe it. Powerful. Now the last time this happened, there was a lightning strike over there. It hit a rusted roof. It put a, well, not a massive hole, but a biggish hole through the roof. Luckily there was nobody underneath it. But this has now been going on for a good 17-20 minutes. Huh? She's lying down. I don't know why she's saying that. She was on the settee lying down, I don't know. There you go, can you hear the thunder? We might get, wow, my god. We might get a lightning strike. That's why I put the camera back on. It's story of my life. I'm always too late to the wedding. Mind you, I wish I'd been too late to previous weddings, but there you go. Oh god. No, it doesn't look like we're going to get another one. Whoa. Till the next one guys, see you very soon, bye bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.